I threw a rock at a pregnant pigeon the other day. Is I really, really felt like saying, 2 birds, 1 stone. People who are pro-life love that shit. In it, you know, you guys caught it. It's called a pigeon fetus of whole bird. It's a really, really brilliant, highbrow joke. We can all agree. I mean, that was just unbelievably smart. Speaking of birds, I haven't slept in weeks. I haven't slept because a bird moved into the tree right outside my bedroom window, and it is just up all night, chirping and tweeting. I haven't gotten a wink since it started, you know. And you know, when it first started, I'm like, oh, this is like a white noise machine, you know. It's like people buy these to fall asleep to, you know. So this is a real life version. And the issue is this bird is not like the same birds on a loop. This bird's like a bird impressionist. He's like doing different birds. He starts at midnight and he's like, hoo, hoo, and I'm like, okay, that's pretty chill. I could probably fall asleep to that. And then he's like, all right, well, you want to hear my turkey? And I'm like, no, man, no. Stick with the soothing owl. And he's like, all right, turkey. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Like 3 hours. Trying to figure out what's going on, so now I'm doing research. I'm reading up on birds, and I find out it's a mockingbird. I'm like, what's it doing? And I find out it's doing a mating call. I'm like, maybe if I know, you know, it'll help me fall asleep, but not that, you know. That just means it's just trying to mate, you know. That's not helping me. That means I got this bird in my tree all night long just yelling, anyone want to have sex with me? Anyone? An hour later, anyone want to have sex with me? Somebody! 3 in the morning, somebody! I mean, no one wants to have sex with you. That's not how you get laid, right? I mean, if I went to the corner and I just started yelling, hey, does anyone want to have sex with me? No, for sure no. What if I change my voice? Does anyone want to have sex with me? More so, no. I mean, it's just, I haven't slept, and it keeps happening, you know, and I'm beginning to think there's something wrong with the bird, you know. It's clearly not attractive bird. So I yelled out to it, I was like, hey, bird! You need a wingman? He yelled back at me, nah, I already got my wings, man. So he's dumb, too. He's a dumb bird. And it keeps happening, you know, and I look up, I'm doing more research, I find out, you know, it's not going to stop. Google says it won't stop until the bird finds a mate, and I'm like, oh my God, the thing's not attractive, it doesn't have a brain. So sure enough, weeks go by, still nothing. He's still out there yelling, and long story short, I ended up needing to fuck this bird.